Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Teach Tutorial Now. So friend, this is a very quick tutorial for making clone effect. So let's start the video. So friends, I have imported the footage. Let's split this footage, and here you can see one girl go inside of this, and we split the layers. So just go to edit and press the Control Shift D and break it, and just move in the beginning and draw a mask over the girl. Just draw mask here. So here you can see cutting leg, and just click on the mask, double click on the mask, and just move it here, so you can see the whole character. So if you find the problem of outline, you can make the feather more smooth, like putting value 10 or 20, so the outline would be smooth. So now you can see the animation is perfect. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video. I'll see you soon with a new video like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.